Hello children. 6th class English notes part 2 lesson 5 the three fish. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences each. First question. How were the three fish different from one another? Answer. There lived three big fish in a lake. They were close friends, but quite unlike one another. One of them was wise. Whatever he did was after careful thought. Another was intelligent and resourceful. Any problem he had, he would use his brains and find a solution. He was always cheerful. The third fish believed in fate. Whatever was to happen would happen, and nobody could stop it. Second one, prevention is better than cure. Which fish acted according to this saying? Wise fish. Third one, do you think solutions can be found to every problem in life? Answer, yes. If we calmly think, then there must be solution. Fourth one, what is the moral of the story? Answer, the moral of the story is prevention is better than cure.